Hi, this is the full conceal perspective. What other benefits are there besides being more concealable and having higher capacity with the full conceal folding M3 line of pistols here? The advantage of folding it also gives you the ability to have another level of safety. And we'll cover the safety in more detail in another video, but this actually makes it safer than a traditional handgun because the folding mechanism of the trigger locks that trigger bar in place, and we also still have that original Glock safety. It's compared to a traditional pistol. You also have a huge visual safety, similar to like a tactical knife. If you put it on the table, you can see that it's folded. There's no worry about is the safety on or not on. There's no way to pick it up by accident to set this thing off. Even if it's partially unfolded, you still can't engage the trigger. The second thing is the comfort and convenience of it. You don't have to put on any accessories like a holster or spare mag, depending on your configuration. I mean, if 21 rounds plus one is enough, then you're pretty much good to go. Just grab and go. And the last thing is discrete transportation and movement and deployment of the system. So when you take this out of your pocket, you can pretty much cover it with your whole hand, and really no one will be able to. It would be pretty hard to tell, especially if you're moving, of what object you're transferring from your pocket to your car door, from your purse to your car, and those type of situations. So that's some more advantages of our M3 pistol line.